Hello and welcome to ABC Computers YouTube channel, where I, the founder and president of the company, will show you how to actually build computers and show you our builds when we build them. Today I'm not going to spoil the surprise, but it's going to be really cool. A huge upgrade on my current system that I've been using for 7 years. Get that, 7 years. So this is a huge upgrade, and we'll be testing a video game as well. So let's move over to the table and let's get started with the vid. We're back, so the first step is to actually remove the shielding to the screws to the 1050 Ti. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, almost there. Okay, now let's go ahead and unscrew this screw here for the 1050 Ti. Okay, there is one screw. And there is the other. And let's go ahead and show you. Okay, so here's the 1050 Ti. Excuse the dust. Now I'm just going to remove it like such. Okay. Just going to gently wiggle it out like so. There is, as you can see, this is the 1050 Ti. Not sure if you can see that very well. As you can see, this. There we are. There's the 1050 Ti. As you can see. Now we're going to install the 4060 Ti. There she is. MSI 1050 Ti. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so first step is to make sure we align it like so. Let's move the straps there. Okay. Very careful not to damage it. And it looks aligned. Just pop in. Make sure the PCI is properly hooked. To me, it looks good. Okay, the next step is to take these. Let me see if you can see it. Right, there you are. A 6-piece AI adapter plug. We're just going to plug it in right here. So here, click, kind of like a click, and there you are. It's installed. Let's move over and screw it back into place. Now let's take our two black screws right here. As you can see right there. And we're just going to screw them in. So Oh, I did not want to do that. Alright, that is good. Let's do the second one for the Wi-Fi adapter. This. So okay. Alright, and there's that. Now we just need to install the IO Shield now. I think it's called IO Shield. I'm not exactly remember the name of this thing, but it's a shield to protect it from any damage. This is a clear silver screw we're going to be using. So such, we can get that to work. It's a little bit. Take a screwdriver here and ta-da! It is installed. Whew. Now let's take a look here. The new 4060 Ti is installed perfectly. There is everything installed, ready to move on to the computer to show you how the graphics card is running. Alright, welcome into Star Citizen. Pretty tough game and unoptimized game to show you how well this GPU is running compared to the 1050 Ti. As you can see, as I'm running, jumping, landing, dying, I guess not dying quite yet. I'm getting a steady 40 frames per second from Star Citizen. If you've seen my gameplays in the past, they have been only around 8 to 12 frames per second. So that's a definitely boost from previous gameplay. Also, because I have overclocked my memory and CPU, it also helps the game as well. So I hope you guys like this gameplay. Not gameplay, sorry. This actual demonstration of how I upgrade my system or even build one and show how it is running inside a video game. As you can see, it runs very well. Graphics is amazing. If you're interested in Star Citizen yourself, I'll leave a link down below that is a referral link that will help you get started in the game as well. Hope to see you guys next time on ABC Computers, and see you guys next time. Bye.